Right, guys. Insert all into D1 values, depart name, location. Insert into D2 values, depart name, location. Into D3 values, depart number, name, location. Shall start from D1. From department table, all rows are selected. Department table, all rows are selected. That is copied into 3 tables. Shortcut by using insert all. How many rows? 12 rows. This is okay. This is called insert all. Insert all into D1 values, into D2 values, into D3. Right, guys. Next one is conditional insert. Means above insert all, what happens? Total department table, department table data is copied into 3 tables. Now here we are adding conditions. We are splitting the data. Insert all. When depart number is less than 20, then D1. Means 10, 20 records are stored in D1 and 30 records are stored in D2 and remaining records are stored in D3. This is called we are splitting your data. See guys, again I do the rollback. Rollback means your records are undo. 4 rows only. Why 4 rows? Because we are splitting the data now. We are splitting the data into tables. How many records I have in department table? 4 records. In D1, in D2, in D3. This is just splitting your data by using conditional insert. Insert all. When depart number is less than 20, then this one. Generally, if anybody is asking any program like if the employee is working in 10th department, then to increment 20%. If the employee is working in 20 department, to increment 40% salary. They're asking this type of question. Generally, everybody they are thinking to write the program. That is common. See, we try to increment the employee salaries based on the conditions. Employees working in 10th department, 20% increment, 30 department, okay, sorry, 20 department, 40% increment, 30 department, 60% increment. This is my requirement. If they're asking this type of question, some people are trying to write a PLSQL program. We are inputting depart number and we try to check the depart number. If depart number is equal to 10, then update EMP set salary equal to 20%. Else if depart number equal to 20, we are writing some program. But without program, we can do by using case statement and by using this type of data also. We are taking data from department table. The employee is working with 20, then increment something. Okay, I will discuss that type of queries also in this document later. Okay, right, guys. Next one is the merge statement, guys. Merge statement. What is a merge statement? Used to copies data from more than one table into a single table. We are copying minimum 2 tables. Means we are copying data from 2 tables into single table by using merge. Merging means just we are merging the 2 tables information into a single table. In this scenario, first I create one copy empty table. Dummy table first I created. Empty table. Create a copy empty table with the employee number, employee name, salary, depart number. I created one copy empty table. Okay. Yes, table is created. Describe copying. Yes. Now, so I try to insert some data into this copy MP table. What we are inserting data? This is the copy MP table data. Employee number Kingo, employee name, salary 5,000, department number 10. 7466, triple A, 4,000. 7102, BBB 6,000. 7369. That is. Okay. After that, I have an existing table I have. The table name is EMP. We know already this is the EMP table. This is the EMP table data. Okay, guys. Observe this. We have the two tables right now. One table is just now we created and we inserted some data. Employee table. In this employee table, we have already some data we have. Now, I want to merge these two tables right now. I want to merge these two tables. How to merge? Here, register. Merge into copy EMP table C using EMPE. First, we discuss about this sentence. Merge into copy EMPC using EMPE. Means in this now, which is the destination table, which is the source table? This is the destination table. This is a source table. We are taking data from employee table. We are taking data from employee table. We check the condition. Then the information we did merge into copy EMP table. Right, guys. When matched, then what we can do? When matched. See. Copy EMP table C. EMP. So, E dot employee number is taking, sir. 7466 is taking. Equal to C table of employee number. Is 7466 available in C table of employee number? Yes, it is available, guys. Yes. If it is matched, what we can do? The source data, I try to update with the destination record. Means this 7466 is updated with the AAA. Now AAA becomes as Jones, 4,000 becomes as 35, and this is becomes as 10. When matched, when not matched, means 790 is there, 741 is there. Is it 741 is equal to copy table 741 is there? No. Then what happens when not matched? This total record we try to insert into destination table here. Destination table, that is. Right. But where can you use this merge statement, guys? Where can you use merge statement? See, if you try to generate exam timetables, then we try to use this one. Okay. Suppose principal is calling to teachers, two teachers, and he said that prepare your exam timetables. At that time, if two teachers are scheduled, actually two teachers are scheduled their timetables individually, and they're submitted to principal. Now principal is checking both teacher schedules and he is merging the timetables. Because if the teacher 1 and teacher 2, both teachers, same date, same time, two exams are scheduled. Same date, same time, two exams are scheduled, then only one exam is taking based on our merge statement. That is the advantage of merge statement to generate exam timetables and also daily timetable, daily class timetables. If you want to generate now, then we try to use merge statement. Okay, guys, right. Next one is NVL2. NVL2. We know NVL, null value. If any null value is there, in place of that null value, we can place something value, we can place it, right or wrong. Exactly, right? See, select NVL of null comma 100, comma NVL of 200 comma 300 from here. Then here what happens, guys? First column value is null, then it is taking as 100 rupees. Now first value is null, not null. Not null means this is 100 to 100. Right, guys. Okay. This is the annual function. Right, guys. Now, NVL2 is extension to NVL function. It is extension to NVL function. If expression 1 is not null, if expression 1 is not null, expression 2 is executed. If it is null, expression 3 is executed. If expression 1 is not null, expression 2 is executed. If the expression 1 is null, expression 3 is executed. Same functionality, guys, but thing is, one extra parameter is added. That is, select ename salary commission annual to of in if anybody is getting commission, this one is executed. Salary plus commission. If anybody is not getting commission, it is null. This one is executed. Means salary is taking. That is enough. This is, guys. Okay, guys. This is an annual pay. Here, first employee is not getting commission. Null. Null means what happens? Salary is taking. Yes, 1,000 rupees. Second employee is getting commission 300. 10 plus 300 is 200. Right. That is. Next one is null if. If expression 1 and expression 2 results are same, then returns null value. Expression 1, expression 2, what are the values you are passing, both are same. Then it returns null. Otherwise, expression 1 result. Otherwise, this output. This is the null if. Null if of 100 comma 50 star 2. 50 star 2 right how much? 100 na? 100, 100 both are same? Yes, null. Null if of 1000 comma 50 star 5. Both are not same. 1000 returns. 7000 is 7000. Both are same. Again, null. See? Right, guys. Next, COALESC, code set function. Before that, here we learn one more examples here, two more examples we have here. Select ename, comma, null if of. If anybody is working depart number 10, 10 means null returns. Means if anybody is working depart number 10, null returns. Otherwise, depart number 20 returns. See, these employees are working 10th department, guys. That's where null. The employees working 20 here. 20 equal to both are same? No. So 20 displays. If both are same, null. Okay. So instead of this 10, I want to place 50 suppose. Okay. Yes, here Pushpesh, right now I'm discussing that one only. Instead of 10th department, I want to place 50 suppose. For display purpose, not update. Update means simply we can write update EMP set depart number equal to 50, where depart number equal to 10. Who are working in the department, all departments are updated with 50. But right now, my requirement is, if anybody is working in 10th department, I want to place temporarily 50, I want to place. In this scenario, first you try to find out the depart number is 10 or not. If it is 10, then only we try to give the 50. How to find the depart number is 10 or not? By using this null if. How it is, if returns null, that employee is working in 10th department. If it is something value, it's not a 10th department. So if it is null, then what I can do? If it is null. No, sorry. This one. Sorry. 50. See? Yes. By using NVL. This is the use. First, we try to find out the employees working 10th department or not. If you are working 10th department, null if returns null, sir, null comma 50. Yes, annual function, if it is null, 50 returns. Yes. This is a use of our null if. Okay. Next one is COALESC, called set function. What this function main functionality? First of all, it accepted n number of arguments. They accepted n number of arguments. But what this argument or what is the function of this function means? Simple. It picks up the first not null expression from the order of sequence of expressions. First not null, which one? That output it displays. So select name, salary, commission. So first select for sake of 100 plus null, null. Right or wrong? 1000 star null, null. 500 minus null plus 900 null. 10 is not null. So sir, why are saying all are nulls? Because you know already to evaluate any arithmetic expression by using nulls now, find output also null, null, null. That's why first three expressions are nulls. This is the not null. It is also not null. But first not null only displays. What is first not null? 10 C. It displays. And it displays. Write a query to declare employee bonus based on the following conditions. The employee is getting commission and commission double bonus. In the organization, if any employee is getting commission on commission, bonus I want to declare. Double bonus. If not getting on salary, 5% only. If anybody is not getting commission, 5% only on salary, we try to calculate. How it is. Select e-name, comma, salary, comma, commission, comma, course of commission star 2, salary star 0.25. So, first employee getting 300 rupees, suppose. 300 is null or not null? Not null. Not null means this one is executed. 600 rupees. Okay. Suppose second employee is not getting commission, sir. Null, sir. Null star 2, null. Null star 2, null. Second expression is executed on his salary, 5% calculated. You know. Yeah. First employee getting commission. Second employee is getting commission. Yes, double. Next one is case. Insert statement. Generally, case statement comes in programming. Okay, C language, C++, Java, in Oracle, PLSQL, it is coming. But case statement supported in SQL also it is supported, guys. What is a case statement? It is similar to if then else. Okay. Select employee number, e-name, job, salary. Case. When the salary greater than 5,000, then I want to display the status of that employee is excellent salary. Greater than 4,000, high salary. Greater than 3,000, good salary. Greater than 2,000, average salary. Else, poor salary. Means if all above salaries are false, then else part is executed, poor salary. Then C. These employees are getting poor salary, good salary, good, excellent. This is the status. Right. Next one is just now here I read one query I discussed. Write a query to increment the employee salaries based on the following conditions. First one, if employee job equal to manager, then 20%. If the employee job is placements of work, then 40%. Other jobs, no increment. Other jobs means president. For president, no increment. This is the condition. Okay. See, guys, if you are not giving just push page, what you're asking, end, this is a case end, case and case. So this is a alias. Alias means output heading displays salary status. Suppose if you are not giving no issue, not a mandatory, guys, then what happens? Some expression column name it displays. If you want to see the proper column name, then you can give alias. So how to write this query now? Update. I want increment. Increment means update, right? Update EMP. Set salary equal to, right? How much? Salary equal to K when job in manager. First I read on the notepad because Word document notepad file, single quotes are different, guys. When job in manager or salesman, then salary plus salary star 0.2. Okay, when job in salesman or clerk, then salary plus salary star 0.2, 0.4. For other jobs, else is not required. Yeah, no. Then execute this query first. What happens? 16 rows are updated. We have the 16 records we have, right? C 1400. Yes, incremented. Okay, but here these are not updated, guys. Why? Because these small letters we have, right? That's why. Okay, or else you try to write upper of, you try to write upper of, you try to write. Okay, right. So this is the query, guys. So to increment. Generally, else what we can do? Else you can take sal. Yeah, no. Means same sal is taking. Rollback means above case is rollback. This is our employee table, na? Employee can write how much? 1,000 rupees, na? See, 1400 to 160. So manager, salesman, sorry, English we write down, no? Okay. If it is manager, English to this one. Salesman clerk, this one. Other jobs means president. President no increment means I won't take same salary. Na? What is the president salary? Something 5,200 suppose. Same salary is taking. Observe this. In above table also, before update, president salary 5,200. After update also 5,200 only, no increment. So this is a query, guys. No need to write any program. Simply by using case statement, it is possible. That is. Okay, guys. Understand this query? Once you know this query, guys, once you know this query, how to write, so many queries you write down, so many validations, you can easily write down the logics. Okay. Right. Here I place this query in the notepad file. Please paste into your. Yesterday I sent. Notes yesterday night. Okay. Please add this query in that. Please add this query in that document. I place it everyone. Please copy and paste it. Right, guys. Or else after completing the total document explanation, again I sent. No issue about that. Okay. Same this document I get to send after complete total explanation about it. So the next one is temporary tables. What are the temporary tables main functionality? Generally, table can hold the data permanently until you can delete or drop. But temporary tables are not like so. Temporary tables main functionality. Fine. So the temporary tables can hold the data temporarily, guys. Not permanent. Temporary tables can hold the data temporarily. Okay. Not permanent. Suppose I try to write one program. In between the program, I got some records. Those records I want to use it in another logic. So these records I want to store in table. But these records I want to store temporary, guys, not permanent. Then we try to use temporary tables. In real time, temporary tables are very used. Most number of cases we are using temporary tables. See, in real time now, if you try to do in production, so if you try to implement any query, update query or delete query or anything now, first they moved original table data into temporary table. First they work on temporary tables first. Original table is there, but they work on temporary tables. Okay, once they got required output, then only they implement the query in production. Okay, at that time what happens now? Original data is not changed. Original data is not changed. We are updating, we are deleting, we are selecting on temporary tables only. No issue about that, right or wrong? Yes. So if you try to implement, if you want to do any research, then the developers are working on temporary tables only, not original tables. Once original table data is changed, now it's complicated, highly complicated, high risk actually. Production means online data. Production is online data. Okay, in your backend, if you delete, if you want to update, suppose, then what happens? In online, all records are changed, Yes, that's why they're not using a direct table. They are not implementing the queries and direct tables first of all. Okay. Yes, Harita, I can copy. I can send this mail or this document to mail. Okay. After completing the total document explanation, I send the same document again. Okay. If any modifications are done, you can. Okay. Fine. No issue about that. This is the okay. So these are the very most number of cases we are using these temporary tables, guys. So Oracle also supported temporary tables. So temporary tables can hold the data temporarily for a particular period of time in logical. So these are also called as we have another name is there global temporary tables. Temporary tables, global temporary tables, both are same. Both are same guys, no changes. Okay, right. So the coming session will discuss about these temporary tables and what is uses. Okay, guys. Right. Any doubts in today's session, guys? Mission. So any doubts? Tell me, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, we'll continue.